there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're gonna make some Greek sushi for you. Yep, Greek sushi. First off, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, follow us. Let me know if there's anything you wanna see, but again, just thanks. So, we're back at it. Today we're gonna make some Greek sushi. We've got some cucumbers, and I'm just gonna slice up some cucumbers. We've got some little feta cheese, some red onions, a little dill. I'm gonna make this with some creme fraiche. You could also use yogurt, sour cream, whatever's making you happy. We've got some tomatoes, a little dill garnish, kalamata olives, some pepperoncinis if you like those. But let's just get started. First thing you're gonna wanna do is you take some of that feta cheese. I've got it, and I've got some already diced up, so we're just gonna use that. So a little feta cheese. And again, you're just gonna do a little dice. Now, I've got some of that creme fraiche that we made. And like I said, you use that or yogurt or whatever's making you happy. And you're gonna wanna use this about a half and half. You're gonna want this fairly thick because you want it to be able to hold. Don't worry about mashing it up or breaking it up. You almost want to. You want a nice filling. This is gonna be the rice in your thing. We've got a little real fine diced red onion, a little brunoise, some red onion. We've got a little bit of dill. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in there. Just some chopped dill. And then a little black pepper. I think with the feta being as salty as it already is, brined, we're not gonna need any of that. And so we're just gonna mix this up. So basically this is gonna have most of the elements, all the elements of a nice Greek salad, and it's just rolled up a little different. I've got some that I've already sliced up here a little bit, but what you're gonna do, easiest way to do it is on a mandolin. Take a cucumber, and I use these European seedless cucumbers. They're nice and straight and even. You can use any, whatever you want. And you're just gonna slice it real thin. You're looking for something that's gonna be thin enough that it's pliable. And then if you can let it sit out, I've got these on a little chick's towel or a little handy wipe or a paper towel. Let's see how you're doing those. They're nice and thin. And you're just gonna let them sit out there. This just sort of dries them out a little bit. And the drying out will help so it won't be so wet when you're rolling it. So that's where we're at with that. So let's get started. And these make a beautiful little appetizer, nice starter, little snacks when you got some people coming over. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little spatula and put a little dab of this on there. Roll that on as thick as you want. Nice little tablespoon, little bite-sized deal, and roll it almost to the edge. Leave yourself, a little inch there at the end, and that's what's gonna seal it up. We're gonna take these. All right. And then once you have those all set, you're really just gonna roll them up like sushi. Not so tight that all the stuff squeaks out, but tight enough that it's not gonna fall apart. And you have sort of like a pinwheel deal. And then, once we get those all set, we're just going to garnish them up with the rest of our salad. And I've got some little tomatoes. We're just going to tuck a couple of these in here and there. You like the yellows or reds, the greens, purples, you know, 1 or 2 pieces in there. Like I said, we're just trying to get all the elements of that Greek salad in there. And of course, you got to have some kalamata olives to go in there. Finish with a nice little piece of dill. And of course, you can't really have a Greek salad without a nice piece of little pepperoncini there too. And I just took the pepperoncinis and just did a little quick slice. But there we go. Got some Greek sushi. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, follow us. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.